Welcome to Switzerland, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich traditions, and global influence. From the snow-capped Alps to the serene lakes and vibrant cities, Switzerland is a country like no other. Switzerland is a landlocked country in Central Europe, bordered by Germany, France, Italy, Austria, and Liechtenstein. It is famous for its stunning Alps, picturesque lakes, and charming valleys. Some of the most iconic natural landmarks include the Matterhorn, Jungfraujoch, known as the top of Europe, and Lake Geneva, one of the largest lakes in western Switzerland, has a rich history dating back to 1291, when three regions formed the Swiss Confederation. Over the centuries, Switzerland maintained its neutrality, even during the World Wars. Today, it is known for its unique political system, a federal direct democracy where citizens regularly vote on important national issues. Swiss culture is diverse, reflecting its four national languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The country is known for vibrant traditions, such as the Swiss National Day on August 1st, the colorful Fasnacht Carnival, and the famous Alpamzug, where cows are adorned with flowers as they descend from the mountains. Switzerland is one of the world's wealthiest and most innovative nations. It is a global leader in banking, finance, pharmaceuticals, and precision engineering. The country is also the birthplace of some of the most prestigious watch brands, including Rolex, Omega, and Patek Philippe. Swiss cuisine is a treat for the taste buds. From the famous cheese fondue and raclette to the crispy potato dish known as rösti, Swiss food is both hearty and delicious. And let's not forget Swiss chocolate, loved by people all over the world. Traveling in Switzerland is a dream. The country has one of the best public transportation systems, including scenic train routes like the Glacier Express and Bernina Express. Whether you're exploring historic cities or hiking in the Alps, getting around is seamless and enjoyable. Switzerland is a land of beauty, tradition, and innovation. Whether you're visiting for adventure, history, or relaxation, this country has something for everyone. So, when will you start your Swiss journey?
Welcome to the heart of Switzerland, where time seems to slow down and life flows peacefully. Join me as we explore a hidden rural village tucked away in the alpine countryside. Cut to a cobblestone path lined with wooden houses, colorful flowers adorning window boxes, birds chirping. Narrator. This quiet village, untouched by mass tourism, offers a glimpse into authentic Swiss country life. The air is fresh, the atmosphere serene, and the locals greet you with